The World Atlas of Coffee takes readers on a global tour of coffee-growing countries, presenting the bean in full-color photographs and concise, informative text. It covers where coffee is grown, the people who grow it and the cultures in which it is a way of life. It also covers the world of consumption, processing, grades, the consumer and the modern culture of coffee. For this new edition, the author expanded his research travels over the last several years to include 7 additional coffee-growing regions: Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, China, Philippines, Thailand, Haiti and Puerto Rico. These are covered in 16 additional pages as well. All of the book's maps have been updated to show greater detail, and all statistics and data have been updated to the most recent available. Organized by continent and then country or region, the World Atlas of Coffee presents the world's favorite brew in color spreads packed with information. The coverage in the World Atlas of Coffee is wide and deep. The book is used by barista and coffee tasting instructors in North America and overseas and has been welcomed by enthusiastic coffee drinkers everywhere. Appropriate for special and general collections alike, it is an essential selection. Find the link below and buy the book now.